Hi, I'm Milagros, owner of Happiest Kid Finds. I want to talk about some exhibition posters today, specifically those in times of war. The first one that I want to focus on was this one right behind me. It's the Remaking of Belgium, 1918, by Frank Brangwyn. The poster isn't solely about the ravages of war. Rather, it's showing support for the strength in the face of adversity and the preservation of cultural heritage. Frank Brangwyn was born in Bruges to British parents, and he was later brought to London, where he was raised and educated and became an apprentice to William Morris. He's one of the most versatile artists working in different disciplines. In addition to designing posters, he designed textiles, worked with stained glass, did woodcutting, oil painting, and even designed furniture. And his work often supported charitable causes and fundraising efforts. The rich gold wash contrasts against the deep brown tones and rapidly drawn black outlines that capture an environment of frantic yet organized energy. One of the workers climbing a ladder looks at you as if to say, "Get your shovel, there's work to do." Although its civilians and cities endured some of the most brutal suffering of the entire war, Belgium put up a fierce resistance. Brangwyn doesn't focus solely on the wounded and destruction. The poster reflects the dignity and resilience of the citizens taking the initiative to restore their cities and their homes. While the First World War was still raging, the benefit of Belgium was organized, a small country whose neutrality was compromised, as it was used as a gateway for the invading Germans in 1914. This was a call to help rebuild, not just patch up damage. The poster reminds us that art can be a humanitarian aid. During global crisis, this is a template, a beautiful object created to channel resources towards strangers in a faraway war. Next up, we travel to Spain and Switzerland to discuss the exhibition of the masterpieces of the Prado Museum, 1939. Just as the Spanish Civil War ended with Franco's victory, World War II was about to explode. As if to say, look at what we still have, and look at what we refuse to lose. The exhibition was being organized in collaboration with the Swiss Federal Council and the Administrative Council of Geneva. The image used as the face of the exhibition is the painting of Queen Mariana of Austria, painted in 1653 by Diego Velázquez, the court painter to King Philip IV of Spain and the undisputed master of the Spanish Golden Age. He portrays her as discerning, a woman of enduring strength, an influential yet polarizing figure that since 2018 even inspired an annual sculpture installation in Madrid. Queen Mariana's power stemmed from her marriage to King Philip IV, where she reigned as queen consort from 1649 until his death in 1665. She then served as regent to her son Charles II until 1675, and then remained as an informal counselor till her death in 1696. I hope you've enjoyed my presentation. If you have any questions about these posters or any others, feel free to contact me. You can visit happiestkidfinds.com or stop in at the gallery as well. We're open till 8 p.m. Look forward to meeting with you, and till next time, have a wonderful day. Be well.